Welcome to Vlogoween night 26. So, yeah, we are going to be opening envelope number 26 in just a little bit here. But before I do that, here's another elephant update. So I started on the trunk today. Yeah, this is it. I'm going to try to make it about 4 to 5 inches long before I shove the pipe, well, half a pipe cleaner in it and attach it to this face. Yeah, right now it doesn't really look like an elephant trunk, so we're gonna make it longer. And now I'm gonna cut the camera while I go grab the envelope. Okay, so here we go with envelope number 26. There shouldn't be any paper in today's, but let's go ahead and open this. Three, 4, 5 pieces in this envelope. These are all black pieces. So we have an L shape. We have 2 long, narrow black pieces. One has areas to attach other pieces to. The other one is completely flat. A 3-dimensional arc piece, and another one that looks like a slice of something. This one's larger than yesterday's pieces that were slices, so yeah. Anyway, I'm unusually tired today, even though I haven't really done anything. I wiped off a table and I put pumpkin seeds in a container, so I should not be tired like this, but I am. But anyway, I'll inventory the pieces once I've had a good sleep. I'm gonna go lay down now, but I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want, you can check out my links in the description or by scanning the QR code at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and above all else, stay fabulous. Bye!